With the end of the Bush presidency, we looked forward to hope and change as Obama was elected the President of the United States. Now, our economy is in ruins, and many Americans don't know where to turn. Who will save us in 2012? Ron Paul has said if there is support, he will run. In a story originating from a website called Ron Paul Forums, Matt Collins, a longtime Ron Paul supporter and heavily involved with the Ron Paul grassroots campaign for president, announced Ron Paul will run in 2012. The reactions have been swift and explosive on the internet, with the Daily Paul covering the story and thread discussions receiving thousands of views. The mainstream media is now up to its old tricks and painting Ron Paul as an outsider. New numbers from public policy polling show Ron Paul winning 13% of the vote in a hypothetical three-way general election contest with President Obama and former Massachusetts Governor Mitt Romney. Alex Jones spoke recently to Ron Paul on his show about it.
And the Daily Poll ran a story yesterday, says Ron Paul to run for president in 2012 will announce in January 2011. I mean, I would imagine, being a man of honor, you're going to run.
And it'll depend a lot on what I perceive as support.
The question is, can he win? Here are some of the reasons why he may not. The Republican Party is still a pro-war big government party. They are still controlled by multinational corporations and big financial Wall Street interests. This was shown by their support of the bailouts. The mainstream media is also not on Ron Paul's side. The elite in the mainstream media corporations have sold out their interest to large corporations. Someone who advocates the abolition of the Federal Reserve and the income tax is not someone that the mainstream media corporations will support. Now the question comes to mind, how can he win? With the country facing the worst economic collapse since the Great Depression and potential hyperinflation, anything can happen. Ron, we support you in any case, but freedom, truth, liberty, and the Constitution call you to your duty, sir. Will you accept your destiny? We wish you the best of luck, and you have our support.